Well, when you're a one-man show, when you have stupid heavy-ass equipment, it's been sitting out in front on the other side of that car for going on 3 years now. Finally restructured and got some machines relocated, and I can still use them on the fly. I'm gonna change that around, build this up 4 foot, due to getting rid of those machines, and then you use. I've always used for several things, bringing in cars and things of that nature. I got 4-inch 3/8 bolts bolting down a 12-bolt winch and several anchor points. And then I got 2 there, and there's 2 over on the other side, but that I can rearticulate the cable and then do what I need to do. Oh yeah, with the addition of a pallet jack too. Yeah, it's pretty crazy what a guy comes up with when you're a one-man show. You know, you have no choice, but I'm not going to allow it to not expand or redirect myself and maybe try to do something more funner than just living, you know? So, yeah, almost in its place. I'll get that in there, and to be decided. That's the powder coat oven. That's the bead blast cabinet. Those were kind of in conjunction back there. Then obviously the flow bench, but yeah, we'll see. It'll probably end up coming out 4 foot, which what those machines took up, actually a little more than that. Probably end up going to here. I'll build that wall out, and then we should be good to go. Yeah, kind of excited to get this old girl going. 3-phase converter on the way. Yeah, so there's not electronics going on with it or at all. It's like a 6-horse 3-phase motor. So yeah, should be pretty okay. Gonna start scraping like grease and such and kind of half-assed visually restore it and make sure functionality is there. And then I have a jig that I will put on this table. I have a couple jigs actually. I have a jig that I can put on here to articulate cylinder heads. So the end goal is to be able to surface heads on this machine. So, yeah, whether I get there or not, I don't know. But just moving in itself, all by yourself, this 6,000-pound machine. That's pretty crazy to be, one guy in sandals being able to do that. So, yeah, pretty cool. That's my Friday night.